Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we are going to review BigCommerce, one of the top e-commerce platforms. Whether you are a small business owner or looking to scale your enterprise, this platform promises robust features and flexibility. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around to find out. Now, what is BigCommerce? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is BigCommerce? It is an e-commerce platform that helps businesses build, manage, and scale their online stores. It is known for its flexibility and it supports both small businesses and massive brands. BigCommerce powers over 60,000 merchants across 120 countries, with companies like Skull Candy and Ben& Jerry's using their service, user interface, and design. When you first log into BigCommerce, the dashboard is pretty clean and user-friendly, though it might feel a bit overwhelming if you are new to e-commerce. Luckily, they offer onboarding guides to help you get started. BigCommerce also offers a variety of themes, both free and paid, for designing your store. The paid themes can get pricey, starting at around $150, but they are customizable, responsive, and mobile friendly. Customization is where BigCommerce shines. Unlike some competitors, you can tweak your store's code, giving you more design flexibility. But if you are not tech savvy, you will not want to stick to their pre-built templates. Pricing plans. Now let's talk about money. BigCommerce has several pricing tiers, standard at $30 per month, plus at $79 per month, and this is after the discount. Pro at $300 per month, and this is also after the discount. While for the enterprise, it depends on how much features you get. So this is like a custom plan. You can customize it and pay a custom price for a specific feature, but of course it will be more than $400. And keep in mind that all these prices are after discount. The pricing scales based on your store's revenue. So as you grow, your plan adjusts too. It's important to note that BigCommerce doesn't charge transaction fees, which is a huge plus compared to competitors like Shopify. But if you are a beginner or a smaller business, that $39 per month plan might feel steep. Yes, as you heard me, 39, because it will cost you 39 without the discount. Features and functionality. Now let's get into the features. BigCommerce supports a ton of product options and variants, which is perfect if you are running a store with lots of customizations. You can sell physical, digital, and even subscription-based products. Plus, their SEO tools are excellent, helping you optimize your product pages and drive traffic from search engines. The platform also integrates with multiple sales channels like Amazon, eBay, Facebook, and Instagram, allowing you to reach customers wherever they are. Another key feature is the built-in support for multiple payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Apple Pay. Apps and integrations. When it comes to apps and integrations, BigCommerce has a robust marketplace, offering over 1,000 apps, whether you need help with marketing, shipping, inventory management, or accounting. There is an app for that. However, if you need advanced features, some apps do come at an additional cost. So make sure you factor that into your budget. Customer support. Next up is customer support. BigCommerce offers 24/7 support via phone, email, and live chat. They also have a solid knowledge base and a community forum where you can find solutions to common problems based on customer reviews. Their support team is generally responsive and helpful, but experiences can vary depending on the complexity of your issue. Pros and cons. So what are the pros and cons of BigCommerce? Let's break it down. For the pros, we have no transaction fees ever, scalable with lots of customization options, great SEO tools and multi-channel sales support, strong app marketplace and payment gateway options. And for the cons, we have some downsides like that pricing can be high, especially for smaller businesses. Some advanced features are locked behind higher tier plans. The design interface could be a little more beginner friendly. Conclusion. Overall, BigCommerce is a powerful e-commerce platform with plenty of tools to help you grow your business. Whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, it's worth considering if you are looking for scalability and flexibility. However, the pricing may not be ideal for smaller businesses just starting out. So, what do you think? Are you ready to dive into BigCommerce, or do you have another platform in mind? So, let me see your opinion down below in the comments. And if you find this review helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.